latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Hello, you're watching India's COVID Tracker. I'm Pratibha. In this episode, we will give you the latest coronavirus numbers. We'll tell you everything that you need to know, from the total and active cases across India to the number of people who have recovered, the death toll, and the numbers from the states. So let's begin. Now, for the second consecutive day, India has seen a major spike in the number of new infections being discovered. The total number of cases in the country has now gone up to 67,152. Out of this, we have 44,029 active cases. Now, what are active cases? They are the number of the total coronavirus cases after deducting the recovered or discharged patients and the number of fatalities. And here comes the good news as well. A total of 20,917 people have recovered from coronavirus, which means India's recovery rate has crossed 31%, which is quite a positive sign. Now, coming to the mortality rate, it's currently at 3.2%. After tapering last month, India's coronavirus trajectory has picked up this month, with new infections and deaths rising faster in India than most other countries. So at this current trajectory, India's case count is likely to reach 1 lakh in 7 days. Now, let's also give you the numbers from each of the states that have been affected. We are going to focus on Maharashtra. We are also going to focus on Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, as well as Delhi, as they are the worst affected states. In fact, the top 5 states, that is Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Delhi, and Uttar Pradesh, now account for a whopping 77% of the active cases nationally. Now, also for the Karnataka viewers, we will also be bringing you the latest numbers from the state. Let's begin with Maharashtra. That remains the worst affected state, with 22,171 cases that have been reported. The death toll is also the highest in Maharashtra, with 832 deaths so far. Gujarat comes next with 8,194 cases. The recovery is better in Gujarat, though the death rate is quite high here. There are 5,146 active cases as of now, with 493 deaths being reported. The numbers have crossed 8,000 in Tamil Nadu. It's currently at 8,002 cases. The state has seen quite a massive spike, with 798 new cases that have been reported in the last 24 hours. Now, here as well, the number of active cases is above 5,000. 1,959 people have recovered from the virus, while 47 people have lost the battle. Now, let's also take a look at the numbers from Delhi. 6,923 total cases have been reported, with 4,754 active cases. 2,096 people have recovered and 73 people have died due to coronavirus. Now, coming to Karnataka, the numbers are currently at 862, with 14 new cases being reported today. The recovery rate in Karnataka is quite good, with 426 recovering from the virus, while the death toll is currently at 31. Now, this takes the total number of active cases in the state to 404. Now, these were the numbers as we brought to you from across the country. You saw the numbers from across the state as well. These are, of course, very dynamic numbers, which means that they can change in the next 24 hours as well. And that's why we'll be here again tomorrow to give you the latest. So see you, stay home, stay safe.